Now I had forgotten to move all of my files into the correct folders, so I'm going to close this, quit After Effects, and now I'm going to move these files into the correct folders. So audio, and then the cat mouth, that goes into the PSD, the split cat, and then these two go into the flat images. And now when I open this, I'll have to relink them, so that will be interesting. But I want to make sure that I do things the way you're supposed to. So now we're going to open this up because we are going to create the combined files into one video, including transitions. And at the same time, I will show you how to relink those files that I had not moved into the correct folder, because they will now be unlinked. So 6 files are missing. Okay. I am going to go to each of them that's missing. To find what is missing, you go into the search bar, and you type MISS, and here's all the missing files. I know where I put them. I know what kind of files they are. So I'm going to right-click on each of these. You can tell it's missing because it has the color bars. I'm going to right-click, and I'm going to look for the animal carnivore cat meow. I'm going to replace the footage. So replace footage, file. This will reestablish the link so that it will appear correct. So the sound file is going to be in the audio folder. And I'm going to say open. And there, it got it. So now it's no longer missing. And now the cat mouth. Now go back to the split cat so you can see all these missing things. Okay, so the cat mouth. I'm going to replace footage, file, and I'm going to look for the PSD cat mouth. There it is. I'm going to open that. 4 additional items have been found because they were in the same folder. And now we have no missing files. So that's how you relink things that are missing. I'm going to command save to make sure that's saved.